Hello guys, this is Taro of Isis. I actually did a video of Aquarius, but as I was watching the moon, the energies are actually shifting to the moon in Aquarius. So as of now, it is also in Capricorn. So I'm just going ahead and doing a tarot video for the moon, not the moon, for maybe a moon in Aquarius as well. In Maybe a moon in Capricorn as well. So, but right now, this is a reading for the people who have Sun in Capricorn and who might be dealing with a certain situation. I'm actually going ahead and doing this reading as well for them, as the moon is actually shifting from Capricorn to Aquarius. So, if this reading is accurate, please don't forget to leave a like, a comment with some suggestions on how I can better my videos so that you guys can make sure that you guys can have a better experience with me, okay? So, we will be starting very soon. So basically, in your present right now, you might be dealing with you might be having a lot of harmony in your life right now. Maybe you are in a marriage with someone, or maybe you are looking. Maybe right now you have been able to manifest a certain contract, a certain yeah. You might be actually having a lot of harmony in your life right now, or you might be having a lot of hope about a certain contract or something that you're about to sign. Maybe some of you are getting married today or married in the next few days. Whenever you're watching this video, and you're having a lot of hope about this, and this is in your actual present. In your past, you might have had a lot of anxiety. Maybe you lost something or someone. If that's the case, I'm very sorry about it. You might be uncertain about a certain situation. For example, if someone asks you to marry them, then probably you might be a little bit you might have been very uncertain about it. But as in the present, maybe you actually accepted, and right now you are in this relationship with this person, and things are going, I don't know if things are going great, but as of now, you are in this marriage with this person, okay? As well, the Queen of Pentacles in reverse means, in my deck anyhow, someone who's very materialistic, and someone who might be thinking, who might lack a lot of stability in their life, maybe financial stability, or mental stability as well. Someone who is focusing a lot on their money and not enough on people around them, or certain situations, or someone who's maybe very materialistic, very focused on their money. So maybe this could have been you as well. But in this case, I don't feel like this is you or anything like that. I really feel like maybe you lost something or someone, or maybe you had to deal with something that was very difficult in your life, such as a sickness, or maybe you lost someone to a sickness. Again, if that's the case, I'm very sorry about it. And really, or you might be just uncertain about you might have been very uncertain about a relationship. In the present, you might be, not in the present, sorry, in the future, you have the Page of Cups. And the Page of Cups is someone who likes studying, someone who is very stable, who's very loyal, someone who just like someone who obeys, someone who is very stable in their emotions, I would say, or learning how to be stable in their emotions. Someone who's thinking a lot, and who is willing to put in the work, and who is willing to learn about a certain situation, or about someone maybe. And as well, I wanted to add, maybe this has to do with a job as well. Contract and marriages aren't always about about a relationship. Maybe right now, in the present, you are about to sign a certain contract with someone at a job, or maybe a deal or something like that. Anyhow, it has to do with marriages, contracts, and harmony. Basically, maybe you guys found. Maybe you guys found a certain balance, and that's why you guys are signing this contract. Why all of this is happening is because maybe you guys just found, again, you guys found a certain balance, okay. Maybe due to a friendship, or maybe just because you're protected. I'm gonna have to clarify this in a few minutes. As an outcome, you have the Six of Wands. You have a lot of hope, but you might be having a lot of apprehension about what's coming next. Okay, so you might be very careful, and that's maybe why you're studying. You're studying something. You're studying some a certain contract. Or you're studying something or someone. Okay, maybe right now if this is someone who asks you to be in a relationship with them, maybe right now you accept it, but then in the near future you are studying what this person is doing. Okay, maybe because in the past you guys you were uncertain, maybe you had a lot of anxiety, maybe you had to put an end to a certain relationship or something. You were coming with a lot of baggages, so when this person asks you to be to enter this relationship with them, you're like, yes. But then in the future, you're like, okay, I'm still going to watch what you're doing right now, because I never know, okay? And really, as the outcome, you have apprehension and hope. So you might be, maybe this person is doing everything that's right. You might have a lot of hope about this situation. You might be, contemplating something, maybe a happy outcome. And this maybe at the end of the day, what prompted you to accept this proposition was maybe a friend, or maybe you spoke to a friend about this situation, and then this friend advised you to try at least, or you just have you just maybe, yeah, maybe it is with someone with whom you have a lot of you guys agree very well. So that's why this person, you decided to try it out. So anyhow, that's what I have as an overall energy for you. I have new relationships and omens. So whatever is happening right now, then it was long foretelled. So I feel like these are the energies that you have around you right now. Aquarius had the same card, but in the present. Okay. I don't see no specific signs there, so if you're dealing with someone and the situations apply to you, then that's obviously the same with whom you are dealing with. All right. So right now I'm just going to clarify one card, which is the reason why all of this is happening. So you go guys, sorry it took a lot of time. You can just jump ahead until I actually find put in the correct cards. So I did clarify some of these cards, and for one I took a clarifier for the Page of Cups. So what you might be studying right now is, I feel like it is this person or this contract. Okay, you might feel maybe like in the future, like this thing is, whatever this is, it might be a little bit too perfect for it to be true. So you might be studying what's happening right now, okay? As well as these cards are telling me right now that you are protected, meaning that the situation is beautiful, but it's not like it's just a beautiful situation, so you just have to accept it because you are protected. Nothing bad is hidden. This person is not trying to hurt you right now. This person might be on Aries, this person might be on Aries, but right now they're just telling me that they're not trying to hurt you, but however, you're still studying them and you have reason. So maybe this person, you're just feeling like they're too perfect right now. I did clarify as well the Two of Swords. Actually, it's still that the reason why everything is happening right now is just because maybe you guys were friends in the past, or you had a contract with someone that's actually your friend. And it's just that this is happening because you're just having a good time. You're just having a good time, and maybe you guys are going to excursions in the mountain or something like that, but you're just having a good time with this. You're just having a good time with this person. There isn't anything negative for me to say. You're having a good time with this person, and it's like yeah. Maybe you just have too many doubts, Maybe as I'm saying right now, it's like you might have some disagreements with this person that's making you think that they are not they are hiding something, or that they are not who they seem to be. But at the end of the day, I still see that there is something happy around this situation. And I did clarify as well, the Six of Wands. It's about family as well. Maybe it's because you're having doubts because of your family. Maybe someone is talking to you, and maybe you're having, someone is giving you advice when it comes to that. And this is about a love relationship as well, So I feel like you guys have been, you have been maybe you have been happy with this person, okay? Whoever this is, you have been happy with this person, and you guys are just, you're just having a good time. The outcome for me, I see a beautiful outcome. The outcome is having hope. Maybe you're feeling apprehensive because you're just too happy. Maybe whatever happened to you in the past here is pursuing you a little bit, and you're like, I've never experienced this happiness, so I don't believe in it. But as an outcome, I see a very happy outcome. I see love, I see friendship. I see, flirting, and just mingling with your family and so on, and just basically having a good time. So anyhow, that's your reading for Capricorns. This is your reading for this moon to the next moon in Capricorn. I hope it was helpful. If it was, as I said, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and comment, leave a like, and just to show me some support and to make me see that, to make me feel like the reading that I have done has actually helped you. Okay. So I hope this has bring clarification to your doubt. If you have doubts, maybe this has been a clarification for you. I'm so sorry. I've been talking a lot lately. So hopefully, I hope this really helped you. And if it did, leave a like and a thumbs up. Okay, as well as a comment. You can always help me. And don't forget to leave suggestions, because I'm always open to having more information about someone else, about something. Okay, if you feel like I should modify something. Anyhow, I wish you guys a happy evening, because right now it's evening by where I am living. So I wish you guys a good day, and hopefully this reading has helped one of you. Goodbye.